Guess what? Guess what? Temu package came in. Let's see what's inside. Hey, this is everything compressed in this little packet. So we have highlighters. I'll try it with a swatch test later. We have a pizza cutter. And a liquid foundation. And another liquid foundation. And peak cover. Natural finish. Let's see what they look like. They look like this. This one is number 4. Oh, let's check this one. This one, number 3. I gotta get my collection of foundations. Let's open up this here. This is the piece of cutter. Hear that? It's not very sharp on my skin anyway. Sounds flimsy. Wait, can you ask for less than $1, right? Why is it all scratched up? Unless there's a plastic on it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is a plastic. Okay, so it has a plastic cover. You just take off. See the, oh, look how dry my hands are. That is so gross. Vaseline, well, wannabe Vaseline hydrating lip balm set. And what is this one? Last but not least, let's see what it is. So look, it's concealer. It's a concealer palette. It's very creamy. That little dent, that was me. I don't know what that black dot is. Let's see. Let's see how smooth. It's not smooth. You can barely see that one on my finger. You can kind of see it. See that? Let's put the plastic back. I decided to try it now. So it's like this. There's a little plastic cover right there. Let's try it out. We're gonna try the white one. The gold. Pink and brown. Let me wipe it on my ashy arm or ashy hand. You can see. Let's see. Hold on. Look at that. They're so tiny. So this one says rose fragrance. The yellow one says purplish. What? Nurturing care. The blue one says Vaseline care, and the other one says chamomile water tender care curing. Oh yeah. They're so little. I wonder if this really does smell like rose. Let's find out. Oh, so they open like this. It smells good, actually. I wouldn't say it smells like rose. It kind of smells like strawberry in a way. What does this one smell like? That one smells similar. Not exactly. I mean, all this kind of stuff. See the Vaseline. Oh my goodness. Can't open it with one hand. Gotta use two. It smells like Vaseline, actually. The Vaseline one smells like Vaseline. Then, Ready Caramel. This one smells good. It kind of smells like you know, like when you buy stuff and it's supposed to smell like the water or like spring or something like that. Kind of smells like that mixed with something. I can't really put my finger on it. But yeah, probably use that one for me. This one I'll possibly use for me. This one I'll probably use for my son's chapped lips, and then this one I'll probably give to my daughter. Yep. So that's everything that came in my little baggie today. And the next part of the order was a big order, so they were split into 3. The next part of the order is supposed to come in soon. I did not get any kind of endorsement for this whatsoever. I just used the coupon that I had and some, like, I think like $4 in store credit or something like that. I went, and then that's it. The rest was paid with my money. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.